If you want to do shaving but don't know how to, or even you are skeptical about it, then this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shrishti, and as you already know, this video is all about shaving. So I'm going to divide this video into two parts. One is how to shave and second is busting all the myths about shaving. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. First of all, I want to talk about the razor I'm using right now. So it's Gillette Venus Razor for Women. It comes with a glide strip of aloe vera extract and vitamin E for the smooth shaving experience. It's a 3-blade razor which is also dispatchable, so you can always recycle it. I think this is the best razor I have found so far. I highly recommend you to check this razor out. I will put the link in my description box. Next, you need a shaving cream for creating a barrier between your skin and the razor so that you don't damage it. But if you don't want to invest in a shaving cream, you can always use conditioner because it does the pretty much same job, and I always use conditioner. It's so pocket friendly. Now coming to the shaving method, the first thing you need to do is to exfoliate your body to remove all the dirt particles and the oil trapped inside your pores. And for that you can either use the scrub of your favorite brand, or you can scrub your body with the loofah like the one I'm using right now, and prepare the body for the shaving. After exfoliating, apply the thick layer of the conditioner for the razor to glide smoothly along your body. Try to go in the opposite direction of your hair growth, and if you are like newbie and do it for the first time, I highly recommend you to go slow. Pay more attention to the curve areas like elbows, knees and ankles, and stretch the area for the razor to glide smoothly over the surface. That's it. For cleaning the razor, dip the razor in the water and snap it on the surface of the sink or even on the floor. Snapping will cause the trapped hair to come out and your razor will be all cleaned. After shaving, it's time to moisturize the body, and for that you can use any moisturizer of your choice or even the coconut oil. I personally use coconut oil every time after shaving because it deep moisturizes the body. Now coming to the part 2, so the first myth we all heard all the time in parlor is do not shave, it will make your skin look dark. So I just want to say it's not possible genetically because skin color is something we got from our genes, and it also depends on climatic condition. So in waxing, when we wax, the dead skin will come out and that will make your skin looks one tone lighter. While in shaving, nothing like this happens. The razor will only cut the upper layer of your hair follicle and the dead skin stays in the same place. So this is the difference. Like razor say कुछ darkness नहीं आती. I don't think so because I'm shaving from the past 2 years and I don't face any issue like that, and my skin tone is also the same from the past 2 years. So I think this is a myth. Myth number 2 is shaving will make your hair grow thicker and faster. So first of all, hair growth depends on the DNA and the hormones, and secondly, the structure of hair follicle is thinner at the top and thicker in the middle. So when we shave, we remove the middle portion of the hair follicle. Hence when it regrows back, regrows matlab back hi hoega. Hence when it regrows, it automatically feels thicker, but once the hair grows fully, like to its full potential, it automatically feels a lot smoother. So I think this is a myth. And the last myth we all heard all the time is shaving will make your hair growth denser. So on that, I just want to say razor will only remove the hair from the surface of your skin. It will not interfere with the biology of your skin. So I don't think it's possible practically, but in case the new hair follicle comes out, it's possibly because of the biology or the hormones. It's not because of the shaving. Only hair that will grow because of shaving is the one that you cut before by razor. Yeah, this is my point of view, and if you face any problem while shaving, let me know, maybe I can help you. So yeah, this is all about Shaving Guide 101, and I hope you are a little bit less skeptical about shaving after hearing from the expert. Like, I'm not expert, I'm just kidding. I'm the girl next door who loves to shave and who prefers shaving over waxing. So yeah, this is it for the today's video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, घर पे रहो, मजे करो, खाओ पियो, ऐश करो. Bye.